4th of July! Ah!
Hey, do you think I could borrow your cassette tape player again? I was watching one of those Disney Princess videos and I kind of spilled milk like all over it. Like literally like all over it, like it's dripping. And it kind of caught on fire. Don't worry, I put the fire out with urine. But it's out.
Sure. Whatever. I don't care. Look, can't I just once enjoy a holiday myself?
Don't you like me?
No. I hate you.
What if I told you that I brought some firecrackers?
No, not this year. No way. No, you remember last year?
It wasn't that bad.
4 people ended up in the hospital, including me.
Look, I'm all alone on 4th of July this year. I don't have any friends. They're all still in the hospital. Can I join you?
Okay, fine. You can sit down. Just no explosions, no fireworks, no firecrackers, and no dynamite. Got that?
Thanks, man. You're the best. I'm gonna eat. You want anything? Oh, no thanks. I don't trust food anymore. All right.
Please tell me it wasn't you who put those in there. Uh-huh. Yep.